Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, a Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip was brought to me by my lovely assistant who's on my side here, and you can't see her, she's off camera, she doesn't want to go on camera, is how to clean your ceiling fans if they get a lot of dust on it. And I'm assuming you guys that are watching this maybe have a ceiling fan, and it's really hard to get those dusty, what they call them, blades really clean. So she had a great idea, and I don't know if she found it online, and then she said, but I think her family does this as well. You get a pillowcase. Obviously, you turn the fan off. First off, I didn't realize this. You turn the fan off, you don't put the pillowcase on. Anyway, that's a different story. I didn't understand what she meant in the beginning, but it was kind of hilarious when she was trying to explain it to me. But what you do is you get the pillowcase, and you open up the mouth of the pillowcase, and you use the top of the pillowcase to kind of brush off all the dust into the pillowcase. So the pillowcase is open, and you're using the top to brush it off. Kind of like you see behind the picture, I don't know if you can see it that well behind me here. And you go to each individual blade, and you'll see it's much easier to clean. It also gives you a little bit of height too. I guess if you're dusting, you have to be on top of it with the spray anyway, so it gets a little more messy. So yeah, this home tip was brought to you by my lovely assistant, Elise. Thank you, Elise. Have a wonderful day. Let me know if it works for you or if you've done something like this similar in the past. Bye for now.